How to fade in and fade out audio in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project where your audio file is located, or import a new audio file if you haven't already. Next, drag and drop your audio file onto the timeline so you can start editing. To apply fades, go to the Edit Audio section under Editing Tools. From the list, select the Fades option. Here you will see the Fade in and Fade out options. Check the box to enable fading. Choose Fade in to gradually increase the volume at the beginning of your audio. You can pick from the available fade grabs for different styles. Then look at the timeline editor. In the timeline, drag the keyframe to adjust the strength and timing of the fade. You can also set the initial volume level by dragging the volume bar. Similarly, apply fade out to smoothly decrease the volume at the end of the clip. After applying the fades, play back your audio to make sure the transitions sound natural. Adjust as needed until you are satisfied. Now you know how to fade in and fade out audio in AudioDirector. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.